A goal of every email marketer is to avoid the dreaded spam folder. When your emails land in spam, not only do you waste time and money, but you also increase the likelihood that you'll continue to land there. So, who decides whether an email will land in spam? Before an email can reach your intended recipients, it's first checked by inbox providers like Google and Yahoo. Inbox providers evaluate your email and ultimately decide where your email lands: the inbox, in the spam folder, or blocked altogether. They evaluate things like your sender reputation, the domain from which you send, whether you meet key sender requirements, and your email content to decide where your email will go. It's up to you to take the appropriate steps to pass all of these tests. Let's talk about how to do that. If you're finding this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe for more content like this. Step 1. Strengthen your sender reputation. Your sender reputation refers to how trustworthy your brand is as an email sender. Your sender reputation is determined by inbox providers, who make this decision based on factors such as your email engagement rate, your send volume, spam complaints received, and your bounce and unsubscribe rates. If you have low email engagement, make sure the content you're sending is relevant to your audience and that you're sending to only engaged contacts. For send volume, avoid sending too much or too little. Create a sending strategy based on engagement to avoid this. For example, send to your most engaged contacts more frequently than your less engaged contacts. If your emails are bouncing, clean your lists to ensure you're only sending to valid contacts. If you have a high unsubscribe rate, ensure your content is relevant and valuable for your audience. If you have a high spam complaint rate, make sure your unsubscribe link is easy to find, that you're collecting subscribers using double opt-in, and that your email content avoids spam traps. Let's talk about email content in more detail. Step 2. Create email content that avoids spam traps. Your email content plays a vital role in how inbox providers assess your validity as a sender. Here are some key best practices to help your emails reach the inbox. Avoid spammy subject lines. Don't overload on images, GIFs, or links. Make your unsubscribe link clear. Use personalization and send to relevant contacts only. Let's take these two emails, for example. This one contradicts a number of our best practices, so it's likely it'll land in spam. However, this email does a great job meeting our criteria, increasing the likelihood of it reaching the inbox. Step 3. Pass authentication protocols. Inbox providers have authentication standards they use to determine whether or not you're a legitimate sender. Common authentication methods are DMARC, DKIM, and SPF. You should set up a branded sending domain to ensure you're compliant. Step 4. Meet Gmail, Yahoo, and Microsoft sender requirements. Each of these inbox providers has their own sender requirements that you need to follow to ensure you can deliver to those addresses. For example, you should remove Gmail or Yahoo from your friendly from address, and you should set up a DMARC policy on your root domain. These are just a couple examples. Head to the Klaviyo Help Center and Academy for more specifics. All right, so follow these steps and inbox providers will deem you worthy of the main inbox. Say goodbye to the spam folder. Bye! If you found this content helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, check out the description for more resources like this to help you scale and grow with Klaviyo.